Yoga Burn is an innovative 12-week program designed for women who want to reshape their body, boost their metabolism and get that classic yoga booty. Yoga Burn by Zoe Bray Cotton, previously known as her Yoga Secrets, is ultimate program to help women lose weight and tighten up problem areas. The program uses dynamic sequencing yoga to develop a tighter, toned and sexier body without visiting the gym or even leaving the house. Every routine builds on the last, so you're continuously improving while burning more calories. Yoga Burn is a 12-week progressive program designed for women. Its primary goal is to help you get that tiny belly and yoga booty that often seems so elusive, but it's also great for relaxing and improving your flexibility. Unlike most programs, Yoga Burn is described as a strategic, progressive approach that's proven to deliver results. The program is split into 3 phases. Each phase builds on the last to provide faster flexibility and calorie burn. The 3 phases in Yoga Burn, according to Zoe, provide a tried and tested formula to deliver results. Aside from the main yoga program, you also get a generous set of free bonuses to help you on your body transformation journey. Yoga Burn is a good choice for women who want to lose weight, tone their body and boost their metabolism. It's your turn now. Get it now. Official link given in the description.